In this question, we've been asked to find the mean and the median of the following data sets. So, to find the mean being an average value, we need to find the total. We've started to use this notation, sum of x, the total of all the x values. In this case, the sum of x is 106. We need to know the amount of values we're working with. We use the notation n. In this case, it's 4. The mean is the total divided by the amount. The mean is sigma x over n, the sum of x over n. 106 divided by 4 gets us 26.5. The mean for this data set, 26.5. To find the median, we need these values to be in order. So let's just rearrange them in order. There's only 4 values, quite easy to put them in order. And the median is going to be the middle value of these rearranged data points. We can see it's right here in the middle of 24 and 30, but more formally, we should be able to identify the median position. N plus 1 divided by 2 tells us the median is in the 2.5th position. This means it's in between the second and the third. It's the number exactly in the middle of the second and the third piece of data. In this case, we could add 24 and 30, divide by 2, and we get 27. The median is 27. In this second data set, we're going to do a similar thing. We need to find the total, the sum of the x values. We add those together and we get 72. The amount of values that we're working with, the n value, we're going to get 10. The mean is the sum of x over n. 72 divided by 10, no calculator needed, 7.2. Let's locate the median. In this question, we're going to need to write the values out in order so we can identify where the median is and what its value is. So let's just write these out in order. As I put down each digit, I'm crossing them off from the original list. This helps me to know that I've got all of the values and I haven't missed anything. So here's the ordered list, which we'll work with from now on. And we anticipate that the median will be here, right at the middle, the point that splits the list in two. As always, we need to move towards a formal method. So the median position is going to be found using n plus 1 divided by 2. So that's 11 divided by 2, the 5.5th position. So in between the 5th and the 6th value. Since the 5th and the 6th value are both 8s, the midpoint of those two values is also 8. The median is 8.